Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got Chevelle Gold sitting right here. This is one of those virgin, unmolested cars. It's had 2 owners, 61,000 actual miles, all original sheet metal, numbers matching, documented with Protecto plate, as a 327 4-barrel, 4-speed, factory air conditioning. This is a really special car. Let's take it for a spin and I'll tell you all about it. 1967 Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe. Sierra Fawn is the color. I think it's beautiful. It was only repainted one time. Far better than a factory finish. It has a clear coat and it's polished just fantastic. All original sheet metal. The gaps are right on the money. Straight. No bubbles, no blisters. All the trim. Just look how the glass, tinted glass because it's an air car. Look how everything fits, the moldings, all the glass is crystal clear. The top is pristine. You look in through the window, it's all mint. Taillights, optional bumper guards. All this is beautiful. Look how square that trunk fits in there. These wheels are dated to the car. They're painted, clear coated. Poverty caps are mint. It has the reproduction redline tires. Bottom of the door is spotless, the rubber's soft, the interior is absolutely mint. I sat in this car and the instrument panel is pristine. It does have a quartz movement in the clock. That's a tilt with the deluxe wheel, the right shifter on the floor. It's got the seat belts. Headliner is tight as a drum, visors, the mirror, all the trim. It's mint inside. I mean, absolutely mint. This is the number match, 327, 275 horse. That's the 4-barrel. It's got power steering, factory air that is ice cold. It's got the correct GM hoses and clamps. It has an actual Delco reproduction battery, not just the topper. It has spring clamp battery cables. Every component in here is tidy, clean, and nice. Underneath, the whole front end is completely rebuilt. They detailed it out. Bottom of the motor is spotless. It has the original canister oil filter, new starter. It's an original 4-speed car. Is the original rear end in the car. We have the actual documentation in the office. These are copies, the pre-delivery inspection with the imprint of the Protecto plate. And all this comes with it. The dealer, it was sold new in North Carolina. Inside the trunk is just spotless. I can still see signs of the original spatter paint. They did freshen it up. It's got a nice, clean, durable coat. There's no spatter paint on any of the wires or the latches. It's all tidy. This rim and tire matches the others. It's a painted rim with a redline tire that's brand new. The jack assembly is all detailed. Underneath here is all glossy. The jam is glossy. The trunk is beautiful. I'm going to start it up for you. It's got the reproduction floor mats. All the GM seat belts are like new. Oh, I always forget the key. Said no rust. Original quarter panels, original floors. Got a nice dual exhaust. The heater controls are nice. Inside the glove box is mint. The light works in there. Ashtrays have never been used. Air is ice cold. The seats feel real good. I've been doing this my whole life. The more you've been around old cars, the more you're going to appreciate this one. It has T3 original headlights. I just drop the hood and click, it shuts. No effort. Close the door. It closes like a new car. For whatever it's worth, it recently, just a couple months ago, won a trophy. This is one of those cars that real car guys love to find. It's a sweetheart. It is just such a nice car. I mean, the buckle is shiny. The sill plates, the jambs, everything about it is just beautiful. It's not a car that's been resurrected. This has always lived a good life. It's had one repaint. It's been detailed and dialed in, but what a nice car. 327 4-speed with factory air, all documented. So go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find all the pricing and the specs on this one and a few hundred other cars. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see the videos as we make them. Thanks for watching.